Hello students, Ncert solutions, class 11 physics, chapter is gravitation. Question number 20. Two stars, each of solar mass is 2 into 10 to the power 30 kg, are approaching each other for head-on collision. When they are at a distance of 10 to the power 9 km, their speeds are negligible. What is the speed with which they collide? The radius of each star is 10 to the power 4 km. Assume the star to remain undisturbed until they collide. Use the known value of g. In this question given that two stars, initially this first star and this second star, each of solar mass m is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 30 kg, and these two stars are approaching each other, but their initial speeds are negligible. V initial 0 here also V initial is nearly equal to 0, and initially they are at a separation of r is equal to 10 to the power 9 kilometer, and this is 10 to the power 12 meter. Small r is equal to 10 to the power 12 meter, and they collide each other. Their final position is they suppose, and their separation between the center is 2r. This is 2r, and let they collide with each other with speed v. Radius of each star is given. Radius of each star is 10 to the power 4 kilometer, or this is 10 to the power 7 meter. Now using conservation of energy, that is initial energy is equal to final energy. Initial energy is equal to final energy. Initial energy is here, and here kinetic energy is 0, approximately 0, and here there is only gravitational potential energy, and this gravitational potential energy is equal to minus g mm upon r. And final energy is, number 1, this kinetic energy of each star, half mv square into 2 minus the gravitational potential energy. This is minus gmm upon 2r. Here this m is cancelled by this, and this can be written as mv square. This 2 is also cancelled. So this is v square is equal to, gmm, or this m is cancelled, therefore this is gm upon 2r minus this gm upon small r. Now here is gm is common, take outside. So this is 1 upon 2r minus this 1 upon r. Now on putting values, g is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11, and the mass is, solar mass is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 30 kg. This is 1 upon 2 r is equal to, this is 10 to the power 7 meter minus this 1 upon small r is equal to 10 raised power 12, 10 raised power 12. Now this v square is equal to, मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो दिस इज इक्वल टू 13.34 into 10 raised power this 30 and this is here minus 11, so this is 19 or this is 10 raised power 7 is 1 upon 10 raised power 7 is common, take outside, so this is equal to 1 upon 2 minus this is 10 raised power 5. Therefore, on solving, this is equal to 6.67 into 10 raised power 12. This 1 upon 10 raised power 5 is equal to 10 raised power minus 5, right? And this is very small. On neglecting this and then on solving this is equal to 6.67 into 10 raised power 12. ये हमारा वेरी स्मॉल है, इसको नेगलेक्ट किया तो इसको सॉल्व करने के बाद ये हमें मिलता है. Therefore, this v is equal to square root of this 6.67 into 10 raised power 12, or this is equal to 2.53 into 10 raised power 6 meter per second. So this is the answer of this problem. इस क्वेश्चन में हमने क्या किया? This is two stars initially at a distance of 10 raised power 12 meter approaching towards each other. Right? Therefore, here initial speed is 0 and let they collide with each other and this separation is 2r. Now, using conservation of energy, so this is initial energy is equal to final energy. Initial energy is this is gmm upon r, right, is equal to this kinetic energy plus gravitational potential energy. Then this m is cancelled on solving. This v square is gm upon 2r is minus gm upon r. Gm is common, take outside. This 1 upon 2r, this is minus 1 upon r. On putting the values and on solving, this v square is equal to 6.67 into 10 raised power 12. Now this v is equal to square root of 6.67 into 10 raised power 12. So on solving, this is 2.53 into 10 raised power 6 meter per second. This is the answer of this problem. Thank you.